Today I'm going to easily replace this Broan bathroom fan motor and impeller. It's a 20 years old builder grade model. It's a pretty good model. It lasted 20 years. It's model 678E. This replacement procedure will match a lot of other Broan models, 678A through several. And this is the E, has the light kit included. And the first thing that has to happen is for the lens to be unsnapped by squeezing it on the two sides. Pulls it down just for safety. I'll take this light bulb out. The switches for the fan and the light are off. I have a separate table lamp in here for the light that I might need. I put a dust mask on just to keep from inhaling anything that might be up in the ceiling. Also, I have glasses on, but you might use goggles. See, this one, the rod kept on threading out of the ceiling before I realized what was going on. And now I can pull this whole assembly down. And it's held in by this plug. So I got it unplugged. And now I can take that down and dust it out. Vacuum it and wash it or whatever. Get it clean. Things get really dusty inside because they've sucked up a lot of towel, cotton, and paper. Makes a lot of dust. Kleenex can get really dirty in there. So next thing I'm going to do is try to vacuum out as much of that as I can. Anytime I come across a place like this where the drywall is bare up against it, say a furnace vent or some application like this where the drywall edge is left raw, I like to put some tape on it and keep any more from flaking off down into the house or especially into my mouth while I'm working. So I've got some aluminum tape. These are cut in 8-inch strips and put around the edge. Stop that stuff from falling in my face. You can see the popcorn ceiling overspray up inside this box. These builders were pretty careless. In builder grade, tract grade houses across the country, this is what you would find in any orifice that you opened up. Put one more piece of tape on here so we can change the motor and impeller. Next, I can pull this fan plug. It has to be pulled anyway, and then what's holding that in, let's move that pigtail out of the way. What's holding this assembly in is a standard 4-inch nut. It's not a nut, it's a screw with a hex head. Alright, my tape was in the way on at least 3 of the sides. It's a really tight fit in that box, but now you see I'm able to pull this whole assembly out of the ceiling. And I'll be able to, now I can vacuum up what's in that exhaust port. With the tape restored to its former glory. That's all the wires and the plugs, and now let's go change the fan motor. Next, with the fan assembly in hand, take the 2 nuts. I think they're 5/16. Yes, okay. The nut up inside was a 1/4, and these 2 are 5/16. that's the old motor off. I'm going to take the time to clean this off a little bit in the deep tub before we put the new motor back on. Alright, here's the motor. And these two studs are going to go up inside these two holes. They're the middle holes. One is long, one is longer, and one is short, in case there's a little play, a little variation in the distance between these two studs. But since this is a factory motor, replacement motor, it's going to be in the right spot. So now, what remains to be done is put these nuts on and tighten them down. And tighten it down with the wrench. And the nuts are tight on that. You can turn it over. And the fan blade goes on with the impeller side down. The impellers go down and it pushes on until it stops. It has a positive stop. Goes on some splines. Impeller side down, and you push it down until it's flush to the end of the shaft. I'm pushing with my hands. It's almost there. It's there. I can feel it flush to the shaft. So it spins free. It's going to be nice and quiet in there. It spins free. The two nuts are tight. Here and here. And the impeller is flush with the shaft. But the plug does actually need to come through the bottom and underneath the motor, so it can be plugged in through the slot from the bottom. So now I have the cord hanging out the bottom, the impeller on the top, and take these two slots, one slot, two slot, they're tabs, and they go in the slots. So this thing folds up inside. Check, make sure your impeller is clear, spinning free, and this one is. Slip this screw back in with the 1/4 inch head. Then I can plug the fan in on this side away from the impeller. Keeps that wires out of the way. Now with that in place, we should be able to safely test, make sure that that's the fan that's on. We're ready for that. Alright, just a couple things left to do. Let's put the light back on. So here is the light kit and the plug. It's plugged in this other plug, the other outlet, and the mount on this stud. Nut back on. That's on tight. See if the vent still works. Amen. Now, let's get a light bulb and a lens cover. In my pocket is a light bulb. Threads that in. Put this lens cover back in. Make sure the light works. Uh-oh. The light does work. The fan works. The light works. Except for the cleanup, our work here is finished. Easily done.